Hello viewers, today I'm going to discuss about nowadays in YouTube you are facing such a scenario that the channel you are not subscribed or the video you are not like are appearing on your YouTube screen. So how you will disable those video which you didn't want to see. So now in this video I will show the step by step how you are going to disable such video or such channel which you are not like to watch. Let's just check. So here you see, first you need to tap this corner, you will get the setting option. You just select on the setting option. Next you need to select the notification option. Once you get inside the notification option, you will see the recommended video. Here you see notify me of video I might like based on what I watch. That recommendation video you need to tap unchecked, so that you will not get any more unwanted video on your YouTube home or the channel you are not subscribed. That's the only process. Hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. I always create such kind of video regarding technology. Bye friend.